Is your face suddenly getting oilier and your sunscreen feels a bit heavier? And don't get me started on the hair. The moment you step outside, these hairs become a frizzy mess. It's probably not your skin that has changed, it's the weather. And if your beauty routine hasn't changed with it, your products are working against you. So today I'm telling you the 7 monsoon beauty swabs that I do every year. They are simple swabs that make a hell lot of change in how your skin feels, how your makeup sits, and even how your hair behaves in this humidity. Hi, I'm Vaishali and I'm on a mission to help you spend smarter on beauty. So you stop wasting money on the products that don't work for your skin and start buying products that actually do. And if that's the kind of content you enjoy, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Now, if you remember just one thing from this video, remember this. Monsoon is the season of lightweight products. Every single swab that I'm going to show you in this video follows this one single rule. Let's start with swab number 1, switch from cream cleanser to gel-based cleanser. If you're still using a creamy cleanser, it's time to switch. During monsoons, my skin starts getting oilier and more congested, and that is why I always switch to gel-based cleanser. If you have acne-prone skin like mine, this cleanser would be your savior. Towards the end of last year, I started getting these very painful big acne on my skin, and that's when I consulted a dermat online and she suggested me this AHA Glow cleanser. Now this one comes in a small variant also. I tried that one, and since then I have not been getting those random acne. I just get some before my periods, but apart from that, nothing else. And I'm not saying it's just because of this cleanser, but this has played a huge role. Now this one cleans my skin well without making it feel stretchy or stripped, and that is what I love about it. Now let's go to swab number 2. Instead of choosing rich toners, switch to lightweight hydrating ones. Now this one might surprise most of you. I absolutely love the Tony Moly Ceramide Mochi toner, but not during the monsoons. The weather is already humid and I don't enjoy applying these thick rich toners on my skin. So instead I switch to lightweight hydrating toners like this Nykaa Rose Water. And sometimes I use the Uriage Thermal Water too. This one is really good. I use both of these depending on my mood, but both of these do a great job in hydrating your skin without making it feel greasy or sweaty. The goal during monsoon season is not to coat your skin, but it is just to make it feel fresh. Now let's come to swab number 3, which is switching from cream moisturizer to gel moisturizer. If you're still using a thick moisturizer, this is your sign to switch. Just like you don't wear sweaters all year around, you don't need the same moisturizer all year around. This is the season where gel moisturizers really shine. My absolute favorite has to be the Dot & Key Vitamin C Plus E Gel Moisturizer. This one is not a paid collab or sponsorship. I love this one so much. I remember ever since it's launched, I have finished at least 7 to 8 tubs of this one. This smells amazing, hydrates your skin, and gets absorbed in your skin within seconds. Every summer and every monsoon, I come back to this moisturizer. Now let's come to swap number 4, which is switching from heavy sunscreen to lightweight sunscreens. I think this is the swap most of you need to make. If your sunscreen feels heavy, then it means it's probably not made for this weather. During monsoons, I always choose gel-based or water-based sunscreens because they sit on my skin so nicely. And my current favorite sunscreen is the Dot & Key Dragon Fruit Bounce sunscreen. I love this sunscreen so much that I have already finished it. I recommended this sunscreen to my mom, and trust me, she started wearing sunscreen because of this one, and unki bhi khatam ho gayi hai, so I'm going to repurchase one for her, and I've already repurchased one for myself. The texture of this one feels like a lightweight gel, plus it has all the new gen filters, and it does not make my skin feel congested like other sunscreens. This is genuinely one of those products you'll keep seeing in my videos again and again because I love it so much. And now let's save our hair. Let's come to swap number 5, which is switch from heavy oil-based serums to lightweight water-based serum. If you're still using heavy oil-based serums and wondering why my hair looks so flat or so frizzy, this is your sign to switch to something lightweight and water-based. And I have been loving this Dove Peptide Hair Serum. This is basically a biphasic serum. That means you'll get oil and water. So when you shake it, both of them mix, so you get the softness, hydration and frizz control without making your hair feel heavy. And because it comes with this spray applicator, the application becomes so easy. It has honestly become one of my favorite hair care products this season. Look at how much I've emptied it. Now, how can I forget about the lips? So let's talk about swap number 6, which is switching from thick lip balms to lightweight lip balms. This is that one swap most people don't even think about. I for one absolutely love thick lip balms like this one from Indevile. It's their dewy lip treatment. In winter season, I love this so much. It heals your chapped lips overnight, literally. But in monsoons, whenever I apply it, the upper lip area gets too sweaty. That is why I have switched to lightweight lip balms, and this from Nivea and this one from Wishcare worked amazingly. These are lightweight, comfortable and gives just the right amount of hydration to my lip. And finally, my favorite swap, which is swap number 7, switching perfumes. If you are a gourmand perfume lover like me, this one is going to hurt, because monsoon is probably the only season where I avoid gourmand fragrances. In the monsoon seasons, they might seem a bit much, so instead I switch to lightweight, fresh, airy scents. And lately I have been loving the Nykaa Joie de Vivre. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but I love this scent so much. It's fresh, crisp, refreshing. So if you remember just one thing from this video, let it be this: as the weather gets heavier, your products should go lighter. Swap your cream cleanser to gel cleansers, swap your rich toners to lightweight toners, swap your cream moisturizers to gel moisturizers, swap your heavy sunscreens for lightweight gel-based sunscreens, your oil-based serums for a lightweight one, your lip mask to a lip balm, and gourmand fragrances to fresh, clean fragrances. These 7 swaps honestly makes such a big difference instead of buying 10 new skincare products. If you have watched till the end, first of all, thank you so much. This means a lot. Drop a pink emoji so that I know you have watched till the end. And while you're here, tell me the first monsoon swap that you are going to make, and if there's any new product that you want me to try and review. I'm always eager to try new products, so just drop it in the comments below. And if you want more practical beauty tips to help you spend smarter rather than spending more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want more of this bite-sized tips, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because यहाँ से ज़्यादा मैं वहाँ active रहती हूँ, and you'll get a lot of advice on stories. So don't forget to follow me there, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye. Swap number 3. What is my share? I'm tired. I'm pronouncing it. This is the only heart I know how to make.